Hello, now I will show you on how to do online book reservation. For example, for search type, select title and type Design for Emotion in the search box. Then click Go. Click on the title of the item for more detail. Online reservation for books on loan is only available for items with the status checked out. Reservations are only allowed if your loan availability has not reached its maximum limit with no fine. And your pattern record is not blocked due to other penalties. To proceed with item reservation, click Place Hold. Log in to your patron record. Enter your matric or staff number as a login ID. And IC or passport number as your password. Then click Login with KOHA. Your details and book information will be displayed. Then click Place Hold. You can see your book reservation at the patron record. It will state Hold 1, means one item has been successfully reserved. Once your reserved book had been returned to the library, you will receive an email stating Hold available for pickup. You will also notice that your hold status will change from pending to item waiting. Please note that if you have fine in your patron record, the reservation process could not be completed. You will see the reason why you cannot reserve the item. Kindly clear your fine if you still need the book. That is all for online book reservation. Next, we are going to the last part of the module, online book renewal. Thank you.